beautiful dreamers, it's Nova Rose, the beauty nerd here, and today I'm coming at you guys with an aquamarine look. I know it is a bit late. I've just been having some health issues, just, that have made me kind of, not really all that motivated, but I am here with it today. So this is probably one of the more wearable looks that I've done. As you can see, it is, it's kind of a bright blue eye with a, more natural pink lip. So as you can see, I'm kind of trying to incorporate jewelry into every video. Hopefully that'll stay throughout the months that I do this. And I even found, my only blue shirt. So yeah. As usual, all products listed on my face will be listed. All products on my face will be listed down in the description box. Before we get on into the video, if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Join the beautiful dreamer family. That would be awesome. I would love you forever. But anyway, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell icon to get my notifications. Make 2 videos a week on Tuesdays and Thursdays. And yes, without further ado, let's just get on into this video. So I'm starting off with my eyebrows done, my base is done, that includes foundation, concealer, powder, contour, bronzer, blush. My eyes are primed and set, which is something, it's a little bit different than what I've normally done. Normally I've just done my foundation and done my eye makeup, but I've been doing things a little differently as of late, so it just means we can get right into the eye makeup. So the first color I will be using is this color right here. This is a single shadow from Morphe, and it is called Breakfast at Tiffaneez. It's got a Z at the end. So I'm just going to be taking this on a Real Techniques brush and sweeping this through my crease as a transition color. So, just going like so, just to add some light color, but we're just taking this and sweeping this through the crease. Like so. The next color we're gonna be going in with is this light bluish color right here, and this is from the Morphe 12P palette. I think this is also called the Picasso palette, and I'm just taking this Urban Decay brush that I got with the, where did I get this? I think I got this with the Naked Smoky. Does it even say anymore? I don't think it says. Anyway, I think I got this with the Naked Smoky palette, and I'm just going to take this and again sweep this through the crease just very lightly. Aquamarine is a very, light gemstone, so we're trying not to add too much to this. Too much darkness. Just keep this pretty light. And as you can kind of see, I'm only working on one eye right now, just for, I don't know, time reasons. So the last color I'm going to be going in with is this really slightly darker blue right here, and I'm just going to be taking this on a IT Cosmetics airbrush blending crease brush. And I'm going to be taking it very lightly into the crease. As I said before, we don't want to darken the crease up too much because as you can, I don't know if these are aquamarine, but they're very, very light. So, yeah. So we're just going to try and keep this very light, very simple. Just kind of tap that and then just sweep it a little bit. And I'm going to switch to a different brush and blend it. Had to wait for the garbage truck to go by before I tried to tell you guys anything. I was like, oh, hello garbage truck. And then I'm gonna take a little bit of it again and just sweep it along the lower lash line. Just, as I said, very lightly, very, very lightly. To kind of act as a base, I'm going to be going back in with the Breakfast at Tiffaneez color before we put on the shimmer color, just to give it, a little bit of a base color. And I'm just taking that very, very lightly on my lid. And for the lid color, I'm going to be going in with this kind of side right here, which I think is called like Leo. Let me turn it this way. And this is from the Urban Decay Kristen Leanne. Let's see, I think this was the Dreamcatcher palette. And I'm taking that on a pretty dense like flat brush and just packing that on to my eyelid. And this is kind of an iridescent light blue, which is great for Aquamarine because it is, you know, lighter blue. Alright, so I went in and did the lid color obviously, and then I finished up the other eye. I'm gonna quickly go off camera and do my eyeliner and mascara, and I think that's everything, and then we'll be back to do you know, like the inner corner brow bone highlight and then lips, and we will be done with this tutorial. So I will be right back with those things on my face. Alright, so I'm back with eyeliner on and mascara on, and for the inner corner highlight I'm going to be going in with the white side, or the white side of the of the Leo plus Brixton. I think that's how you pronounce that name, and I'm just going to be applying that to the inner corner. Yeah, that also like flashes a little bit blue as well, which I think looks pretty good with this look. So just taking that and that on my inner corner, and then on the brow bone as well. Spin it too much. Okay. And that is the eyes all completed. We can move on to the highlight now. So I've zoomed you guys out a little bit just because, you know, want to see my whole face. So for highlight, I'm going to be going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Moonchild Glowkit, and we are going to be going in, let me hold this like right set up. We're going to be going in with Blue Moon right here, which is a pretty blue color, obviously, and we are just going to be applying that to the cheekbones and getting that nice glow up. It definitely is not that striking of a blue color. It comes off, yeah, definitely not too blue, which is nice, but it is a very, very like pretty highlighter. And I'm just, I like to apply it and then I'll swirl it around to kind of diffuse it and kind of, you know, make it not look like a line on my face. So just kind of using that, blending it a little bit, and you know, there you go. So we're just gonna put that down on my nose and then on my Cupid's bow. So we're almost done with the face. Last step is lips, and I actually have like two options for this. I have this, you know, my Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink Lipstick in, what is this? Lover, which obviously I love. And this is a great, like, kind of neutral pink. This would probably look good just because we have so much going on. Or, to just be completely insane, I have this Sephora Lip Stories lipstick in Ouch. And this is a pretty, like, turquoise color, which I think I'm not really gonna use because this is probably better for when I do turquoise. So we'll keep that for that. And I think we are gonna go with the more like natural lip color, which is really weird for me because I think in all of my gemstones I've done like a corresponding lip color. I just don't really have one. The one I have, Ouch, is kind of more on the turquoise side. So we're just going to apply this lipstick and we'll be done. Alright, so this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. So this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Hit that little bell icon for notifications. My social medias will be listed down in the description box below. And you know, I will see you guys in my next video. Stay beautiful. Bye. By the way, the entire time I've been filming this, my dog has been right next to me. Are you asleep? No, you're awake. Oh, I love you.